OK for poke. OK for poke. I'm actually making poke. It's so simple that it's actually a no need for a recipe type of recipe thing. Because it's so easy. Poke is not just an awkward thing that happens on Facebook. It's also pronounced poke. It's a delicious raw fish dish hailing from Hawaii, hence the outfit. And it means to cut and chop. So all you're gonna need is a few ingredients and a bowl. It's so easy and all kinds of good for you. First up, chopped tuna. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and then half a tablespoon of sesame oil. That's gonna give such delicious aroma and flavor. Now for some spring onions, about 2, to get some color and flavor. Chili time. As much or as little as you want. So I'm gonna add quite a lot in order to add spice. And now just give it a good mix. Flavor. So how's it looking so far? Easy, hey? Why don't you hit the thumbs up if you think so? Now to add all our goodies for serving. Add cooled quinoa, some chopped cucumber, chopped avocado, some seaweed, pickled red onion, and sesame seeds. Give me a P, give me an O, give me a K, and give me an E. Poke! Fresh, simple, and delicious. Really simple and a whole lot of flavor. Try it. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. Why don't you check out this video over here? You're not gonna believe your eyes. A salad cake. What? Click it if you don't believe me. Or if you believe me, just click it. Ooh, and over here, something same but different, Peruvian ceviche. And then click this one over here to subscribe. Subscribe over here. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. S-U-B-R. S-U-B-S-C-R-I-B. Click on spell.